J.Gabriel, you bastard. I'm getting so close. So close to getting this 8-pin Loto. Uh, and I shouldn't say bastard. I should say thank you, thank you, thank you. I just want to show you where I am on this. Look at the turn on that core. That's a deep, deep, deep set. And yeah, I am like 1 or 2 pins away, but I can't figure out which one it is. And this luck has driven me so mad. I absolutely love it. I've had hours of picking on this thing, and it's been a joy. I think I've hit a trap, or I'm super, super close. Anyway, I just wanted to show you. Just listen to them pins drop.